Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to install a Dyson docking station, wall mount setup and step-by-step guide. Step 1. Plan the location. First, find a suitable spot on the wall that is within easy reach of a wall outlet. Then ensure the floor below the dock is flat and stable. Step 2. Measure and mark the height. Now using a tape measure, measure exactly 120 centimeter from the floor and make a small pencil mark. This ensures your specific Dyson model clicks into the dock without its cleaning head dragging on the ground. Step 3. Position the dock and mark holes. Now hold the docking station bracket against the wall, aligning the bottom screw hole within your 120 centimeter pencil mark. Then use a level to ensure the bracket is completely vertical and then mark the locations of the top and bottom screw holes on the wall with your pencil. Step 4. Drill holes and insert anchors. Now set the bracket aside. Using a drill with a 3/16-inch drill bit, carefully drill into the marked spots and gently tap the provided wall anchors (mollies) into the drilled holes using a hammer until they are flush with the drywall surface. Step 5. Route the charging cable. Before securing the dock, lay the charging cable into the built-in channel on the back of the docking station. Now snap the power connector into the front casing of the dock so it locks firmly into place. Step 6. Mount the bracket. Align the holes of the docking station bracket over the wall anchors. Then drive the provided screws through the bracket and into the anchors using a Phillips screwdriver. Then tighten the screws until the bracket is firmly seated against the wall, taking care not to over-tighten and strip the plastic. Step 7. Hang and charge. Now route the remaining length of the power cord down to your electrical outlet and plug it in. Then click your preferred tool accessories into the designated slots on the dock and place the vacuum into the dock. Then switch on the power supply. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.